Welcome to our lesson on ecology. We're going to be talking about the different types of ecology, why it's important, and just some basic terms to kind of understand the topic. So, okay, Evan, take it away.
First off, we should define what is ecology. Ecology is the branch of biology that deals with the relations of organisms to one another and to their physical surroundings. So how organisms interact with each other.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and so the first type of ecology is landscape ecology, and it's a study of interactions between organisms within their region. So kind of how organisms affect the distribution of plants and animals throughout a region, and basically how they impact the layout of their land.
Next is population ecology. Population ecology is a subfield of ecology, and it deals with the relations of species and their populations and how these populations impact the environment. Some of the ways that the species impact the environment is through birth rate, death rate, immigration, and emigration. Basically, how the numbers of organisms within a species fluctuates.
Mhm. And the final is behavioral ecology, which is the study of behavioral interactions between organisms within a population and communities in an evolutionary context. So essentially, behavioral ecology helps us and is important to understanding reasons for why animals and organisms evolve by kind of studying how they interact with their environments and with each other.
Biomes are large, naturally occurring areas or communities of flora and fauna that occupy a major habitat. They're characterized by vegetation, soil, climate, and wildlife. And generally, they're dictated by their physical location and the average temperature in those locations. As you can see, the areas near the equator are a lot more tropical, a lot more warm and humid, while the areas near the poles are more dry and desolate.
Mhm. Okay, and so an ecosystem is essentially a community and its habitat. And there's just an image of that there.
I know there's three terms to define species, population, and community. A species is a group of organisms that can reproduce with one another in nature and produce fertile offspring. A population is a community of animals, plants, or humans, along with members of interbreeding, or among whose members interbreeding occurs. And a community is an interacting group of various species in a common location.
So as you can see in the pictures, in the first picture under species, it's just one octopus. Under population, it's a population of octopus, so there's multiple. And then the community is an octopus and the other like sea creatures that are there as well. Okay, and that is it for some of the ecology terms today, and then we're going to go into some of the other ones and evolution later.